Hi, it's Roni, and welcome to Christy's Beautiful Life, round 6, 30 days of sketches. And on Instagram, it's hashtag 30DSCBL6. And then there's Facebook too. So if you do a layout with this sketch, you can put it up on Facebook for us to see. And this is the sketch today, and I like it so much, I'm going to do it again tomorrow. Well, tomorrow's is already done. I messed up. I thought day 7 was Thursday, and no, it's not. So I am doing this over again, and I pulled that video down. If you were one of the 59 people that's seen it, yeah, it's going to be the layout tomorrow. The voiceover will be different, but it will be the same sketch. I am scrapping 2 pictures. One is my daughter with my newest grandbaby, Malachi, and the other one is a close-up of Malachi. And I'm going to I followed the sketch better tomorrow than I am today, but it's going to be close enough. It's going to be very similar. You will be able to tell that it is from this sketch. It is close enough for that. The papers I'm using, that paper right there, that one is We Are Memory Keepers from 2012. And it's white on the back side, and it's very heavy cardstock. Since there's chocolate in both of them, I am going to be using chocolate. I'm going to mount my photos in white and chocolate. And then I am going to do a couple other little things with chocolate just to add a little more chocolate to the layout. And I did have to piece together the banner with the circles, little dotted one. But the other one I had to piece together because it was still a little too long. I guessed wrong. I'm going to put both these pictures on here and, they overlap. Well, if I put something in the upper left-hand corner, same problem as with my other layout that you will see tomorrow. It would be covering something up that I didn't want covered up in the photo. So I am going to put the cluster at the bottom. Unlike tomorrow I do put a tiny cluster at the top. I'm not going to do that today. Mainly because I brought my title up so far. At least that's what I think it is. I can't say if I'm 100% sure because it was just like, you feel like it looks fine without it. At least I felt like it was fine without it. Whereas tomorrow I don't. But I did pull that little pink one off, and I am layering chocolate and the polka dot. Plus, I'm putting a little tiny die cut that says It's a Boy on there. And it looks kind of funny when you look at it because they're all hooked together. And the A is pretty good size compared to the rest. But it does say It's a Boy. This is the paper that I'm going to make my rosette out of. The one that's going to go over to the right. And it's striped. And tomorrow I have the stripes going the other way. So you will be able to see a difference if you haven't never made a rosette of the difference between how the stripes go on it. Both of the rosettes, well, all 3, because I do make 2 tomorrow, have a border punch to give it a different finish, on the end of the rosette. And the one that's already made that I put down in the corner, it does too. It has scallops and they're smaller than the ones that I have. So if you have a rosette die, chances are your folds will meet your scallops just like that one does. It don't necessarily meet when you do it yourself. At least it don't for me. A few times I was able to line it up and cut the excess off, but I didn't even think about it today. So it's not quite lined up. I punched a 1-inch circle punch and I'm putting glue on it and let it get tacky. And then I'm going to clip the very last little hill, I guess you would say, because there's hills and valleys, off and connect the 2 pieces, front and bottom, end, and make it into the rosette. And the little round piece, that's to help hold it all together so it'll stay in place. And I get the funny feeling my video is not matching my voiceover again. I had a update on my program, and since then I'm having horrible troubles with it. I was thinking it was a week, but I think it's closer to 2 weeks since it did the update. It's been a little while, so I've been struggling with this. But hopefully I will not point anything out and you'll think I'm just rambling. Hopefully. I decided that, well, last time I forgot to stitch on this. So I told myself to make sure I stitched on this time because I planned on doing it last time. It has a zigzag stitch right up there where I'm making holes, and here I'm pointing something out. Sorry. But there is a second zigzag stitch, but since I moved my cluster that was over on the left-hand side from the top to the bottom, I really wouldn't be worth putting stitches there, which is the other place, since I would cover them up. But I'm not covering the ones up on the top right. I wanted to add some more navy blue because of the fact that the first rosette has navy blue, so I added it to the rosette. And then I punched out, well, I'm going to end up punching out 2 of the larger scallop punches that I have. And then I'm going to layer some stuff on them. And the baby that I'm layering on there it's a die cut I got off eBay. Well, I didn't actually get it. She just sent it to me extra as a freebie. It and a pink one. I already used the pink one. The sticker that says "Together is the best place to be" came from a family, Simple Stories, I believe, collection of sticker. And I wanted to use it because they are together in this. And then the rest of my title is going to be Meeting Malachi. So this is her first time getting to see him. And of course, she took a selfie. Almost missed getting her in the photo. But, at the moment, he was the important thing. Person, not thing, person. Or in this case, cute little baby boy. And I am going to use the thickers, the green ones that I brought out a couple of times, I think, to put on a layout. And I think I used them once for one word in a title of multi-fonts. But I am going to use it for 2 words on this. And I will have to Frankenstein the A's and the I's. I used a B for the A and flipped it. And the I's are J's. And I cut the little hook off the bottom and had me some, which one you can tell looking at it, one of my eyes is taller than the other. But that's it. That's my layout. You will see links down below to the other gals that are doing it. And yeah, I did add some enamel dots to everything. And what's cool, I used a cloth covered brad on here that I've had a long time and just haven't used. It's green stripe, and I thought it'd go really good. Perfect, actually, with the green I was already using in the layout. But there's my sweet little grandson, Malachi, and my daughter. And she likes to be called Auntie M. So that's what she tells the kids to call her. But links will be down there below for everybody else. Plus, if you leave a comment, I'll get back with you. If you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you 59 that watched the video that I had up earlier, thanks for being nice and not mention how big time I goofed. But have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.